Morning students, today's topic is calculation of doses based upon the body weight and based upon the body surface area. In previous class, we will discuss about calculation of doses based upon the age. In coming to today's topic, calculation of dose proportionate to body weight. To calculate the dose of the drug based upon the body weight, we will using Clark's formula. This Clark's formula, weight of the child can be given in kgs. Formula is dose for the child is equal to child's weight in kg by 70 into adult dose. In this formula, child weights can be expressed in kilograms. Next one, dose proportionate to surface area. This is the most satisfactory and appropriate method than the calculation of doses based upon the age. In this method, the dose can be calculated based upon the body surface area of the adults. Formula is percentage of adult dose is equal to surface area of the child divided by surface area of the adult into 100. Generally, surface area of the adults can be expressed by using 1.73 meters square. So, surface area of the adult is replaced with 1.73 meters square. The obtaining formula is Cadgel's formula. Dose per patient is equal to surface area of the patient in meter square divided by 1.73 meter square into adult dose. In above equation, 1.73 meter square is equal to average adult surface area. These are the two formulas calculate the dose of the child patients based upon their body weight and body surface area. Next one, you will observe the following formula. Calculate the dose of the child of 5 years old whose weight is 22 pounds and adult dose is 600 mg. In this formula, weight can be expressed in pounds. So, using Clark's formula, another formula for calculating the dose by using weights in pounds. Clark's formula is equal to weight in pounds by 150 into adult dose. If the adult dose is expressed, weight is expressed in kilograms, the formula is weight in kgs by 70 into adult dose. In above equation, the patient or child age is 5 years, weight of the child is 22 and adult dose is 600. By substituting the three values in the above equation, you will obtain the answer. The average, the dose of the child of 5 years is equal to 80 mg. Next, observe some examples of problems. Next, according to body weight, Clark's formula can be used. There are two types observed. If the weight is given in pounds and weight is given in kilograms. Examples: the adult dose of Nimslide is 100 mg taken twice a day. What should be dose for child of 30 kg? The average adult dose is 100 mg and weight is 30 kilograms. If the weight can be expressed in kilograms by using the second formula. So weight in kilograms is equal to 30 and adult dose is 100. So substituting these values you will obtain the dose. 30 by 70 into 100 is equal to 43 mg taken twice a day. BID means bis in a day. Next, another problem. How many theophylline tablets each containing 200 mg are needed to provide 13 mg per kg per day in divided doses for a week for patient weighing 50 kgs. Average dose is 200 mg. Provided dose is 13 mg per kg per day. It means 13 mg per kg body weight. You will taking 13 mg for a day. So patient weight is 50 kgs. So for 1 kg body weight, patient is taking 13 mg per day. For 50 kgs of patient weight, you will multiply with 13 with 50. So 650 mg. Average adult dose is 650 mg. So per day you will taking 200 mg tablet. So instead of you are taking 650 mg tablets, so you will taking 3 tablets. You will obtain nearly 600 mg of dose. Next one. This is the another formula used for calculate the surface area based upon the surface area. Formula is surface area of the child can be expressed in meter square by 1.8 or 1.753 into adult dose. So by using 3 formulas, calculate the doses per patient based upon the body weight. It can be expressed in weights, kgs or pounds. Another formula, calculate the doses per patient based upon their body surface area. Thank you.